In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Supabase with Lovable. We'll connect your Supabase backend to your Lovable project so you can build features with real data in just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you can access both services in your browser. Being signed into Supabase ahead of time speeds things up and avoids unnecessary prompts. Open Lovable and select the project you want to wire up. This ensures any integration you add will be scoped to the right app. With the project open, look for the settings area, usually found in the project's sidebar or top navigation. Entering settings is where all project level configuration lives, including integrations. Inside settings, navigate to the connectors section. Connectors are pre-built integrations Lovable uses to talk securely to external services. This is where Supabase appears when it's available for your workspace. If Supabase isn't visible at first glance, choose View All to open the full catalog. This screen lets you browse everything that's supported and helps if items are filtered or collapsed. You can also use the search bar here to jump straight to what you need. Select Supabase, then choose Connect. At this point, Lovable prepares the link between your project and your Supabase account. Because you're already signed in to Supabase, the handshake is smoother and you won't need to paste credentials. If your browser asks for confirmation or to allow access, approve the prompt so Lovable can read the project metadata it needs to function. When the Supabase detail pane opens, click Connect Supabase to finalize. This action completes the authorization and saves the connection to your Lovable project. A success state usually looks like a connected badge or a status indicator changing from not connected to connected. If you see that, you're done. Congratulations, it's ready to use. From here, you can start building features that query your tables, store user data, or power authentication flows directly through Lovable's tools. If something doesn't connect right away, refresh the page, confirm you're in the intended Lovable project and the correct Supabase organization, and try again. Keeping a single browser session with both services open helps prevent token timeouts. For best practice, limit access to only the projects you intend to use and review permissions periodically. You'll see new database actions appear once connected, so explore your project's data tools to confirm things look right. If you're collaborating, let teammates know the connector is active. You can also manage or disconnect it later from the same settings area. That's the complete setup. Thanks for watching and enjoy building with Supabase and Lovable.